Yo, what up, y'all? So, you know, I did a video a while back saying that I changed my YouTube name because I'm gonna start doing different content. So today is the first day we doing that. Your boy bought a new Call of Duty gun. I just copped a MG Mk47. So we're gonna pick that up right now. I'm giving my mom to use my gun, my old pistol. So yeah, so we're gonna show her how to shoot that and get her trained up, and then we're probably gonna shoot the probably gonna shoot the Banshee today. We'll see, or we might go back to the house and do the unboxing. But yeah, we'll catch y'all in a minute when we get to the range. Or you can, it's fine.
We're just gonna do a bit of plastic here. Should be under. Just sending y'all shipping info.
This kind of bench. Let's cut it. Step in there. Man, I don't know if we're gonna shoot it today. Oh, I do want to shoot it. I don't want to see it shoot. Tuesday. Oh, look at that round. Oh, yeah, you can. Making sure we're serious. The other one I wanted, I think. Oh, this one. We'll be shooting this ugly ass dude right here today. Kind of fresh though. Put purple on it. Perfect. Yeah, right. Oh, what the hell?
All them bullets went in there?
10 more are going there. Yeah. And a rifle.
Headshot. Headshot.
I'm still getting the headshots. It's like boom, headshot, boom, headshot, boom, headshot.
I saw them first 2 shots.
Yeah.
It's shooting a little high. But damn. That's iron sights. That's what iron sights. I had 20 rounds in there. Let's see, I had 20 rounds. I did some rapid fire too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I probably missed all those shots. I shot fast, but when I was aiming. This Mutant. This thing's a beast. Dang, mom couldn't shoot. She rolled an open top. I forgot to tell her.
Yeah.
I forgot to tell her. Oh yeah. Back here in the lab. Man, we only shot like about 20 rounds earlier. Wow. This thing's crazy. I didn't even have sights on it. Thing. No sights. No iron sights. Just no sight. But you know your boy was in military. Your boy's a marksman. So I got 20 rounds. So and then I think 5 of them I just shot real quick rapid fire. I don't think I hit one of those. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No body shots. For what? For what? But yeah, no, I think a couple of them I did aim for the body, so it might be shooting a little high. But these are my first 2. No sights. So I still got it. Boy, still got it. But yeah, man, I can't wait to go shoot this thing again. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a bunch more videos with this guy. Still gotta learn how to fuck with these AK mags. Oh, I can't do it left-handed. Yeah, man, this thing is so nice. It got the 3 positions. It's all the way in here. It comes out there, then that's fully extended. Yeah, we just have to get some attachments put on here. Release minimum of sight, probably a light. I love it. But yeah, man, y'all let me know if y'all want to see more videos. We definitely gonna have to hit another outdoor range as soon as I find one. Had to get 3 a.m. Will out there with his arsenal, I should say. So we get 3 a.m. Will out there, get Delphine's son out there. See who's the best shot. But yeah, we're gonna end this one right here. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Probably be hitting the track this weekend, so peace. Get out of here.
This life of Casey, she moves, she amaze me. On dirt, we go crazy, no, this ain't a game. Bike full of mods, we unlock like the squad. Hit a wheelie, full speed, partner, stay in your lane. We get to swerving, yeah. Back in a minute, I'm racing to Mars. Haters, we burn them, yeah. Speed off and we burning rubber like it was a gar. She get excited, I see she a ride. I got eyes on the glizzy, the stick in the car. I can't be bothered, my youngers ain't looking for problems, but trust me, we getting them solved. I've been in some minutes, the stick in they teeth like a dentist, then hit them, yeah, we get it done. We get the hard and the loud, this is off that the market is modded and so is the gun.